Do you always forget your umbrella right until the moment it starts raining? What if your phone could remind you before you step outside? On Android 16, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has a new preset routine called Umbrella Reminder. It checks the weather forecast after your morning alarm and reads a reminder aloud if there's a good chance of rain. Here's how to set it up. Go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine, tap Discover, scroll down the screen to the bottom. Under Weather Routine section, select Umbrella Reminder. In the If section, tap Selected Alarm Dismiss. Choose your wake up alarm, then tap Done. In the Then section, here's what the routine does automatically. It checks precipitation probability for your current location. If the chance of rain is 50% or higher, your phone will read aloud a reminder that it might rain today and that you should take an umbrella if you are heading out. Tap Save to add it to your list. And that's it. Now your Galaxy S25 Ultra will warn you on rainy days the moment you wake up, so you will never leave your umbrella behind again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.